If you scroll through TikTok or Instagram long enough, you'll start seeing the same kind of content over and over. Life hacks, money hacks, product hacks, travel hacks. Short videos showing simple tricks that promise to make life easier, cheaper, or smarter. What most people don't realize is that many of these creators aren't just sharing tips for fun. They're making real money from those short videos. Sometimes hundreds of dollars per post, sometimes thousands per month. And in many cases, the hack itself isn't even the main business. It's the attention that the hack creates. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram reward content that grabs attention quickly. Hacks work perfectly for this environment because they promise instant value. A 30-second video showing a clever trick can spread incredibly fast. People save it, share it, and send it to friends. That engagement helps the algorithm push the video to even more viewers. But behind many of these viral hack videos is a business model. Creators have discovered several ways to turn simple content into income streams. Some earn money directly from the platforms themselves. Others earn far more through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Understanding these methods reveals how simple content formats can become surprisingly profitable. Affiliate marketing. One of the most common ways creators earn money from hack videos is affiliate marketing. In many hack videos, the trick involves using a specific product. It might be a kitchen gadget, a phone accessory, a cleaning tool, or a travel item. The creator shows how the product solves a problem quickly. Then they place a link in their bio or caption where viewers can buy it. If someone clicks that link and purchases the item, the creator earns a commission. These commissions can range from a few percent to more than 20% depending on the platform. When a video goes viral and reaches hundreds of thousands or millions of viewers, even a small commission can generate significant income. Many creators use affiliate programs from platforms like Amazon, TikTok Shop, or other online retailers. TikTok Shop and social commerce. TikTok has recently expanded heavily into social commerce. TikTok Shop allows creators to link products directly inside their videos. When viewers watch a hack video featuring a product, they can buy it instantly without leaving the app. This creates a powerful system where entertainment and shopping happen in the same place. Creators who demonstrate useful or interesting products can earn commissions on every sale generated through their content. Some creators build entire accounts focused on testing and demonstrating trending products. A single viral product demonstration can generate thousands of purchases. Because the video format is short and easy to produce, creators can test many products quickly to see which ones resonate with viewers. Brand sponsorships. Once an account starts gaining large numbers of views, brands begin to notice. Companies are always looking for creators who can showcase their products in engaging ways. Hack-style videos are especially appealing to brands because they demonstrate practical uses for products. Instead of traditional advertising, the product becomes part of a helpful tip or solution. Brands may pay creators directly to feature their products in a video. These sponsorship deals vary widely depending on the creator's audience size. Smaller creators might earn a few $100s for a sponsored video. Larger creators with strong engagement can earn thousands per post. Some creators turn their accounts into ongoing partnerships with companies that regularly sponsor their content. Platform creator funds. Both TikTok and Instagram offer programs that pay creators based on views and engagement. These payments are usually smaller than affiliate or brand income, but they can still add up. When a creator consistently produces viral content, platform payments can become a steady background revenue stream. However, most successful creators treat this income as a bonus rather than their primary business model. The real money typically comes from partnerships and product-related sales. Driving traffic to other businesses, many creators use hack videos as a way to promote their own businesses. For example, someone might post productivity hacks while selling digital planners. A cooking creator might share kitchen tips while selling recipe books or meal plans. A tech creator might post phone hacks while promoting an online course about using digital tools effectively. The hack content attracts large audiences and a portion of those viewers eventually become customers. In this model, the social media content functions as marketing rather than the main product. Why hack content works so well. Hack-style content performs extremely well on social media for several reasons. First, it immediately promises value. Viewers feel like they might learn something useful within seconds. Second, the format is easy to understand. A problem is presented, followed by a quick solution. Third, these videos are highly shareable. People often send useful tricks to friends or save them for later. Because the content spreads quickly, even new creators have the chance to reach large audiences. This viral potential is what makes hack videos so attractive as a business strategy. The content strategy behind it. Successful creators rarely rely on a single video. Instead, they produce a consistent stream of similar content. They test different ideas to see which hacks generate the most engagement. When a particular type of video performs well, they repeat that format with variations. Over time, this creates a recognizable style that audiences come to expect. Consistency helps build a loyal following, which increases the effectiveness of monetization strategies like affiliate links and sponsorships. Challenges and competition. While the opportunity is real, the space has become increasingly competitive. Thousands of creators are now producing hack-style content. Standing out requires creativity and the ability to present ideas in an engaging way. Viewers also become skeptical if content feels overly promotional or repetitive. Creators who maintain authenticity and provide genuinely useful tips tend to perform better over the long term. Balancing entertainment, value, and promotion is key to maintaining audience trust. The bigger picture. The rise of hack videos highlights a broader shift in how people earn money online. Instead of building traditional businesses first, many creators build audiences. Once attention is established, that audience can be monetized through products, partnerships, and services. Short-form video platforms have dramatically accelerated this process. Someone with a creative idea and a smartphone can reach millions of viewers within days. For those who understand how to turn attention into income, the possibilities are significant. Posting hacks on TikTok and Instagram may look like simple entertainment, but for many creators, it has become a real business model.